AI could eliminate half of all entry-level jobs in just 5 years. Are you ready for the unemployment tsunami? Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than we realize, threatening to disrupt entire industries and leave millions jobless. Tech, finance, law, and consulting jobs are most at risk. AI now handles tasks once done by executives. 41% of employers plan workforce cuts by 2030 due to AI automation. The corporate world is bracing for massive layoffs. Recent graduates face the highest risk. Their unemployment rates are rising twice as fast as other groups. Oxford Economics data shows nearly 6% unemployment for young graduates versus 4% overall. This is just the beginning. Entry-level positions are most vulnerable. AI learns fast and doesn't need benefits, vacations, or raises. The workforce faces its biggest challenge since the Industrial Revolution. Adaptation is no longer optional. AI won't replace all humans, just those who can't work alongside it. The question is, which side will you be on? Are you developing AI-proof skills? Comment below how you're preparing for the job market of tomorrow.